we really have a bifurcated market where many of the big internet names and the work from home names have had a great year, and the average stock hasn't. And so I think if you look at the overall market as a market, we're trading right now at around 17 times the consensus on bottom-up earnings estimates for 2021, which is about the average for the last 5 years. So now those estimates may be too high or they may be too low, but I think that gives you a sense of what analysts at least are thinking. And if that's the overall market number, I would call it, it might be a little extended given the fact that we've got a chasm of bad news to go over here, but I don't find it as dramatically overvalued as David or Stanley do.
A few weeks ago, Bill, you made some headlines, maybe a month ago now, saying this is one of the best buying opportunities of my lifetime. And we have seen stocks stage a remarkable recovery over last month. I mean, April was one of the best months in years. Has that topped out? You think that was it?
No, I don't think it was it. I made those comments on CNBC on March 18th, and I think the market bottomed on March 23rd. And as you said, sir, we've had a big rally. So, 30% plus in about 4 weeks is worked off a fair amount of that dramatic undervaluation. But I do think if you're looking at a couple of years, there's still a lot of values to be had out there in the overall market. We've kind of bumped our heads here at the 2,900 level on the S&P, and we're in a bit of a correction now, and I wouldn't be at all surprised to see that continue. If the technicians tell us that measures down to maybe 2,600 or so, and that seems about right. And that if that happens, then what's going to be the case is a lot like what you see today, which a lot of the smaller cap names and then names in a week like the financials and all will go down more than the overall market, and the internet names and the work from home names will probably do better. But I think that people are surprised. It seems to me, you read all this about how they're astonished that the market is doing so well when the economic news is so bad. And it's remarkable to me people say that, because the market predicts the economy. The economy does not predict the market. And so all the economic news that we get every day represents and measures the past, and the market is looking forward. So unless somebody has privileged access to the future, saying that the market is wrong is a fairly bold statement.